Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. Another slowish day for me, you know what I mean? Pretty bad morning session. Did some scalps, did some shenanigans, didn't work out really. Took two trades on MNQ. Well, only traded MNQ, but went long, broke even pretty much. And then I tried some scalping on NQ. Didn't work either. Um, I tried to long out the sweep of the gap fill that we had, and that didn't work out in the morning. Um, you know, I don't know. I think I need to adjust my strategy just a little bit. So I have just a little bit more of a confluence in my trades because I feel like, I'm blindly just longing as soon as I see like a liquidity get taken or whatever, you know what I mean? I mean, it does work and sometimes it does what do you call it? Like predict the move for the day. Um so I think instead of, you know, solely relying on that, trying to, make money off of the entire move, the reactions, they're usually correct, right? We have that initial reaction and I'm in like 20, 30 points of profit in literally like a minute and a half. You know what I mean? And this happened 2 days in a row. Last week, the two losing days that I had, as soon as I got in, the market just went in my way, you know? But I think I need to adjust it a little bit more and keep my stops a little tighter. And if I do that, I can play with just one mini, you know what I mean? And today was a good example of that. Is trading the way that I traded on my evals, my funded future evals was I would just wait for just really clean setups and just wait for that moment to just capitalize on one candle and then I'm done for the day. You know what I mean? And that's what happened. Like right now, I took this trade at 950, and then I tried. These are the two longs that I tried, and I got smoked. We were in chop, and I see. This is what I mean, right? I have the nine. I have the 21 EMA, and I have VWAP. Like perfectly, like plotted, right? But look what I did. Price comes up. We've been in a choppy, downtrendy sort of thing, and I take buys right here. Like, why would I take a buy off this right here? We're not above the 21 EMA. Like, longs just don't make sense right here. At least right here. If the candle had closed like bullish, then obviously I would have taken it. But you know, um, I wasn't happy with this trade right here. The long right here didn't make sense because so as soon as the next candle opened, we come test the 21 and then we drop back down. You know, how many points is that? That's 27 points, and this is the trade that got me into like $570 of drawdown. So and then I try it again and it doesn't work. I'm stopped for like a little break even here, and then I'm done. And then I stop trading, and then I came back to get my phone, and I had my trading view up, and I saw a nice little order block that got rated. Let's see, right here. Previous day's order block right here. It took it out, and then I waited 5 minutes to see how we reacted, and then we were also reacting perfectly off of 2780, and 80s and 50s tend to be rotation zones. So I was really confident, and then I got in this trade at 28 oh 2808 or something, and then I held it for 30 points and I made back everything. I went in with two minis on my top step evals, and then I played with one mini on my fundeds and my live. So that put me in at break even on these accounts because it was 30 points, you know, um, 30 points, 20 points per contract. So that's 600. So pretty much break even. I had lost around 600-ish on those. And then I made back double, you know, on my evals. So yeah, I do need to make some adjustments. I know I don't suck at trading. You know, I do have the patience, but sometimes it's like these other little models and strategies that I'm trading, they like collide with each other and it just clouds my judgment. You know what I mean? Because I did that 2 times on amazing trades last week, you know? Like I was up 400. Look, I lost like $600 in profit across 4 accounts. It's $2,400 that I could have been up, you know, on these accounts. You know what I mean? So they're essentially just at break even, you know, $150 away from break even on my fundeds. So I do need to make some changes because, you know, every day you look, like the only model that I like trade well just happens every day, and I'm over here trying to like capitalize on these huge moves. You know what I mean? Like for example, this is yesterday, right? Um, I think I was in. I don't know what I took, but like this is a great example. So the we close below the 21 EMA and VWAP here. We come down and then we test it and then we dump back below, you know? And then the next candle we come down, test it and dump back below, you know? So I can use the VWAP and the 9 as my stops, right? And my stops, they would probably be at, well, if this candle is the one that's printed and I'm taking it, 2802, and I'm taking the short at like 793, like literally like 7-8 points stop, you know? So I can go in with one mini there easy. And then I just go in with one mini and, you know, I entered here. Oh, wait, enter 15. So yeah, so it'd be a 15-point stop, which is still not bad, you know? So eight micros. So, you know, and then I capitalize on like 36 points right there. You know what I mean? So almost, you know, $600, almost $700 right there. And it's the same thing, you know, same thing, rinse and repeat. I can take 4 trades and I can make like, I don't even know, 200 points. How much is this? Get in here again, stops over here, and 790 all the way down to 724. Probably take it around, you know, 50 points, but, you know, still that's like $1,000 right there. Like I can make like $1,000 multiplied by 9 accounts. You know what I mean? It's like these are the opportunities that I saw, and this is just with a simple break of the 21 EMA and the VWAP. And, you know, when it comes back up to it, try a low risk short. You know what I mean? So yeah, usually it works out. But you know, you need to have a trend established before you do it, because right here it is kind of finicky here. It's not so clean, you know? So that's why your stops have to be really tight. Like I would have probably taken a long right here and I would have gotten cooked a little bit because it's coming back down. But the loss, it would have been 807 14, so a $280 loss there. VWAP is my stop. So, you know, it's kind of difficult, but, you know, you need a good trend. So this price action here wasn't the greatest on Friday, but Thursday was amazing. Thursday was when I got in my amazing longs, but I didn't close it. You know, I got in long here, and then it touched VWAP, and it started fucking rejecting, and, you know, we had a clear trend here, right? Look at these first 2 candles, 300 points. Those candles were on Thursday. And, you know, every time we came up to the 21, we reject, you know? So to see, my thought process was right. Like, we sweeped London and Asia lows, so we're going to get a reaction here. Perfect analysis, right? We did get a reaction there. But I thought that was going to be the end all and we're just going to rip up, But we were in a downtrend. So I should have just taken like half off or something at VWAP. Yes, all this liquidity stuff works, but yes, the other stuff works too. So I need to know how to use both of them to maximize my profits. So yeah, executed pretty perfectly today on that one trade that I took. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh wait, let's see how much money I made today. Doesn't really matter because none of it was real. Well, I still needed this money to pass these accounts, so I guess they're real money. 454 plus, let's say, just 555 plus 590 plus 600 plus 590 plus 600 plus 575 plus 597, and then we have like 13, 36, 54. All right, that's $2,975 on the day. Not counting this one because this is a actual like practice account, but these other 5 are the evals. So yeah, $2,975, pretty much break even on my lives and fundeds, which I'm happy with. I do want to save all this capital because, on a trending day, if I'm doing that, I'd be mad scalping. On a day like last Thursday where we drop like 200 points, like, bro, just get in shorts. What's the worst that could happen? It's not going to reverse on you after it's dumped 100 points and it's still going. If I see something happening, I just want to do it. So that's the mindset that I had when I was doing those evals. But then I think I just got too into protecting my capital and too scared to take all the trades that I'm confident and I would have taken in the past, and I think that's just what was messing me up. So I need to make some little adjustments in my mental. So yeah, I don't even have to go with one micro, one mini. You just go with 5, 6, you know what I mean? Lower the risk even more. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Hope you guys enjoyed this little rambling, my thoughts and all that. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Probably won't be trading my lives and fundeds for the rest of the week because it's just going to be a choppy mess. So I'm just going to be trying to pass these evals soon because I'm already a week in and I've only made $700. So yeah, I need to focus up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out.